Hey guys, today we got a vintage Ronson camping stove. Hey guys, what we got here is a vintage camping burner made by Ronson. I haven't done any research about it yet, so I can't tell you much about it. Just that I did pick this up at a garage sale for $1. Along with it was this tank of butane, which is about half filled. That also cost me $1. So for $2, I got a nice set of vintage camping gear here. Now this little burner, it comes out. It just has that port in the center that you fill with the butane, pressure it up. The only issue is the butane tank itself, prepared especially for refueling table chef, candles, torches, camping glow camping lantern, and for other Ronson Veriflame butane appliances. So I think it's a special Ronson type of filler. The diameter of this is larger than your standard butane tank that you'd use to fill a lighter or a small torch or something like that. I'm not too sure if these are still available. Hopefully they are. But here's this little burner. It's a Ronson Veriflame cookette. And yes, it is Ronson Corporation, Woodbridge, New Jersey, USA. It's where it was manufactured. By the styling of this, I am guessing 60s, maybe 70s. I don't know. If you know, leave it in the comments. Let me know. Let me know exactly when this was made, sold, etc. I will be doing some research on it afterwards here. But I just picked this up. I thought I'd do a quick video on it. But yeah, let's see if it lights up. This is how it was at the garage sale. I did not fill this up. It was already filled. There you go. So you get that initial 6 flame, and when it's down low on the burner there, right, 6 flame. As soon as I crank it up, I lose those 2 flames. I'm not sure why. I'm going to guess maybe the ports in here, the little orifices that gas come out of. There might be a little bit of carbon or something built up in there. Butane's really clean burning those, so I'm not sure. I'm going to go ahead and clean those to see if that helps. And it might be too that the tank just maybe is low on fuel and needs to be charged. I don't think they charged this at all before putting it out for sale. I think that's how it was packed away however many years ago. Now there's some little dings. I think that was probably just from being carried around in their camping gear or whatever. It got banged up a little bit. Little nicks, nothing major. But this burner cooktop, I don't see any heat transfer to it. Right, so nothing was burnt, none of the color is distorted, none of the paint or finish is burnt off. I think it's just Parkerized, so you wouldn't get anything burning off. But I really don't think this was ever used except for once or twice. So it's in quite good shape. I don't know. I'm curious to see if you guys know anything about this. Please let me know. Yeah, if you like this sort of thing, subscribe, click like, share, etc., etc. You know the routine. This is how it was assembled at the garage sale. It does come apart. These are just snapped into place, and then everything just kind of comes apart and folds up nice and flat, as I'll show you here. So we have our two pieces, the bottom and the top. Here with the patent number. I don't know if it's picking that up, but it goes in here. Just kind of should snap into place. There's one, two. Then you got your burner rings on the top. And then you just snap into the slots. There we go. And there's the Ronson burner here, assembled. I'm hoping with a full charge, I'll have to research. I'm hoping it'll at least run 5 minutes. If not, not going to do a whole lot of cooking if you have to take it out and charge it, and you can't get at least 5-minute runtime on that. I'm not sure. If you guys know, leave it in the comments, but I'm going to assume that that'll at least run on, well, the high setting for at least 5 minutes to boil or cook or whatever you need to do. And I don't know the BTU that it puts out. It looks like it puts out a decent amount of BTU, so it should heat up and boil water fairly quick. And maybe I'll do a bit of a test on that later on. I don't want to use it too much because I don't know if I will be able to get any more fuel for it. So before I do any further tests, I'm going to do my research, try to find more fuel for it, and go from there. Okay guys, here you go. There's the Ronson Cookette vintage camping stove. Can't beat that for $1. Thanks for watching.